Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you the easiest way how you could enable the Windows Hypervisor Platform. To begin, go to your search bar and type Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click on this option appearing on the right side. Wait for this window to be loaded. Make sure to connect to the internet. As a next step, click on Windows Hypervisor Platform. It's usually above Windows Identity Foundation 3.5. As a next step, click OK. Windows will automatically start for searching for required files, and sometimes it might even download them from the internet. Once done, you will need to restart your computer so that the changes are taken into effect. If for any reason you are facing any issues, just leave us a comment with the error code that you are facing and we'll do our best to help you. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.